Hello everyone, I'm Ann. I am a Harford County Master Gardener, and I'm here today to tell you about one of my all-time favorite native shrubs, and that is the witch hazel. The witch hazel, one of the reasons it's my favorite is because it blooms this time of the year, October through December, and there's very little going on out in the woods blooming, and this is a very unique tree because it has this feature. As you can see from the shape, it is an open vase-shaped tree with an open crown. It has these suckers coming up in the center, and really the only care that your witch hazel might need is that it might need to have these suckers pruned. But other than that, it really doesn't need anything. The witch hazel is happiest growing with a little bit of wet feet, but a well-drained area. The size is from 15 to 20 feet tall to that much wide. It can grow as high as 35 feet. My witch hazel at home is probably about 35 feet. The flower on it is yellow, crinkly, ribbony little blossoms on it, petals on it, and the interesting thing about these blooms is they don't happen until after the leaves drop. We also have capsules that appear on these branches the year before. They live on the branch the entire year, and then the following year they burst out, open, and scatter these black seeds, and that is how the witch hazel propagates out in the wild without any help from us. It does best in full sun. Partial sun is okay, well-drained soil, and it also tolerates heavy clay, which is why I think it likes being in my yard. The uses for this is a hedge, a shrub, a line of shrubs as a hedge. It can be used in a native garden. It can be used in a naturalized area. It is loved by bees. The flowers are loved by bees. And let's move on to wildlife. The deer and the beaver love to chew on this tree. Insects don't bother it. It has some herbal qualities to it. The sap in the side, the branches and the flowers have medicinal qualities. It also is used as a mild astringent. There's a myth about the witch hazel, is that long time ago, this myth had people doing their folk dances around the tree, and that was to help to locate groundwater. Propagation requires a cold, warm period with a cold stratification, and that is about it for the lovely and beautiful witch hazel.